the difference between the keys and constraint in the SQL. So now we see the what is the keys and what is the constraints. What is the constraint? A database must adhere to certain properties to maintain the integrity and quality of the data that it is storing. That it is storing keys and the constraint are rules that define what data values are allowed, what data are allowed in certain data columns. In certain data columns, in certain data columns they are an important database concepts and are the part of the database schema definitions. Definitions defining the keys and the constraints is a part of the database design processes, and ensures that the data within the database replace and maintain its integrity. Constraints can apply to specific column, an entire table, more than one table, or an entire constraint used to establish relationship and uniqueness. The next we see the primary key. What is the primary key? A necessary part of the established relationship between two entities or two pieces of the data. Is identifying the data correctly. In SQL, uniquely identifying data is critical. A primary key is a unique identifier for the row of the data. In the spreadsheet analogy we have used so far, there is always been an ID column, while any column can serve if any column can serve the RDBM. Each table can have only one primary key. And next we see the foreign key. Primary key is a guaranteed unique identifier for a row in a table. Because of this, we can use a row primary key value ID reference, that the row from the tables in the previous we see we established a relationship between the multiple tables based on that, but relationship of the propositor. And this is my point of view about the keys and constraints in SQL. Thank you.